This could be the car for you. The 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Traverse is your calm, capable refuge in a hectic world. Designed to be family-friendly with a can-do heart, its technology protects, connects, and entertains. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, third-row seat, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Maximize comfort, minimize stress. Drive the Traverse.